Agile or Waterfall? Let's break it down. Waterfall is like building a house. You follow a set path, including design, construction, testing, and delivery. Structured, step-by-step approach. Agile is a flexible one. It's like you work in short sprints, adapting with real-time feedback. Flexible and iterative. Which one is right for your project? Waterfall equals predictability, while Agile equals flexibility. Still confused? Share your project needs in the comments. We will help you to choose. Need more details? You can check out our blog for a full breakdown.